Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Gilbert here. Welcome to Year 1 Maths, and today we've got another recap lesson, and today we are going to recognise and name 3D shapes. So I've got some 3D shapes here and we're going to have a look at them first and see what they are called and what they look like. Then I'm going to give you a little quiz to see if you can recognise those shapes. So, this is my first shape. Okay, so does anybody know what it's called? This shape here. It's a tricky word, especially if you're looking at it written down. It's a sphere. Sphere. Did you get that? A sphere? It's like a ball. A ball shape. So anything that's a ball shaped is a sphere. It's rolling off, look now. Okay, my next shape is this one. What's that one called? That's right, it's a cone. And a cone it can be any way up. It can be up that way like a traffic cone, or it can be up the other way like an ice cream cone. So that one is a cone. Let me move that one. Okay, what about this one? What do you think this one is? Okay, that's called a pyramid. A pyramid. And you might recognise that shape if you like Toblerone, or you might recognise that shape if you have seen pictures or been to visit the pyramids in Egypt. Okay, let's have a look at this one. What's it called? This one is a cuboid. A cuboid. Lots of things are cuboid shaped. Lots and lots of things. Let's have a look at this one. What's this one called? That's right, this one is a cylinder. A cylinder. Now, a cylinder is a bit like a tin, or a tin of beans or something like that. And the last one, what's that called? That's right, it's a cube. Like an ice cube. Looks like a dice, doesn't it? All right, are you ready for a quick quiz? Because I'm going to show you the name of one shape, but I'm going to show you 3 shapes. You've got to see if you can point to the correct shape. Are you ready? So, which of these 3 shapes here, 1, 2, 3, those shapes there, is a cuboid? Which one is a cuboid? Can you point to the cuboid? Did you point to this one here? That one, the yellow one in the middle? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Well done. That is the cuboid. Okay, next one then. Let's have a look. I moved one of the shapes. I'm going to move that one. All right, let's have a look at these 3 shapes here. Okay, out of those shapes, which one, can you point, is the cone? Which one is the cone? Did you point to that one? If you did, you're not right. Did you point to that one? Yes, that's the cone. Remember, like an ice cream cone. Okay, let's have a go now at this one over here. So we'll move that out of the way. Ooh, which one of those shapes is a sphere? Sphere. Point to the one that's the sphere. Did you point to this one here, the one that rolled away? That's right, because a sphere is a ball shape. So that's why it rolled away, isn't it? Did you get the right one? The other one is a cylinder. All right, let's have a look over here. Oh, I'm going to try make it a little bit trickier this time. I've got 4 shapes here. Out of those 4 shapes, which one is the cylinder? Can you point to the cylinder? You spotted it on the end there, the one that's like a tin of beans. That's the cylinder. Brilliant, well done. Okay, last one now then. Let's go, let me move my shapes over here. Which one of these 3 shapes here, 1, 2, 3, is a cube? Which one is the cube? I tried to trick you there by putting in the cuboid because I know people get those mixed up. So the cube is this one, like a dice. Okay, all the sides are the same. Ah, well done. Now, over on another table over here, I've set up some very simple little models for you. I want you to tell the person who you are with. If you're at school, tell the person who you're sitting next to which shapes I've used to build these models. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. They're not very difficult models. They're quite easy ones. So have a look at this one first. Which shapes have I used to build this model? Okay, let's have a look. Well, first of all, what's this shape on the top? It's like an ice cream cone, isn't it? So I've used 1 cone. And underneath the cone, these 2 shapes look a little bit like dice. What are they called? Cubes, that's right, like an ice cube. So I've used 2 cubes and 1 cone to build that model there. Did you get it? Fab. Let's have a look at this one then. Have a little look. I'll turn that around so you can see it a little bit better there. Which shapes have I used to build that model? Talk to the person who you're with. Did you spot the pyramid on the top? Yeah, the pyramid on the top. Have you spotted there are 2 cubes on each side there? 1, 2. And then in the middle, what's this shape? It's a cuboid, that's right. Okay, this very simple model now at the back. Which 2 shapes have I used to make that model there? That's right, I've got again on the top there, look, I've got a pyramid again. And underneath, I've got this shape that's shaped like a tin or a can. It's called a cylinder. That's right, well done everybody. Okay, my last model here. What 3D shapes have I used to make this model? Right, that's right. Remember the name of this shape on top that's like a ball? It's got a strange name, hasn't it? It's a sphere. It's quite difficult to say, a sphere. And underneath it I've used, what are those 2 shapes? Cubes, that's right. I used 2 cubes and a sphere. Okay, well done everybody. Now I'm just going to go back to my names over here. Just have another little look at my names. So this shape here, the ball shape, is a, you say it, sphere. That's right, sphere. All right. Over here, this shape is a pyramid. That's right. Okay, let me go to, where am I going next? Let's have a look. Oh, over here. What's that one? That's right, that shape is a cube. Well done, like an ice cube. This one. That starts with a soft C, so it's difficult to read. Cylinder, that's right. So anything that's cylinder shaped like a tin or a can. Looks like that. Next one. Remember what that one is? It's a cuboid. That's right, it's like a stretched out cube, a cuboid. And the last one is a cone. That's right, a cone, like an ice cream cone. Right, your job today is to go on a treasure hunt around the classroom or in your house, wherever you are, and see if you can find anything that is a cone, a sphere, pyramid, cuboid, a cylinder, or a cube. Now you might be able to find some things that there are more of than others. So you might find lots of things that are cube or cylinder shaped. You might find lots of spheres around your house. Maybe a bit trickier to find a pyramid or a cone. Don't worry if you can't find those. Go and have a hunt around, gather them together and take a picture, or you could draw them and send them to your teacher. If you can label them with the words, that would be amazing. But you might need a grown-up's help with that because they are very tricky words to spell. Okay, go and have a look then. Off you go on your shape treasure hunt, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.